Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming access and safety. First, make sure your account email, recovery phone, and alternate email are accurate. This saves time when you need verification codes. Next, have your password and any app passwords for two-factor authentication ready because missing them stalls everything. Once done, close Outlook and backup PSD or OSD files so you can restore data if needed. Also note current server type, IMAP, POP, or Exchange, because that determines the next fixes. You now fix the main causes, credentials and connection. If you forgot the password, use Microsoft Account Recovery and complete two-factor prompts. This restores authentication. Then verify network and DNS. Make sure necessary ports are reachable, 443 for Exchange or 993 for IMAP, and disable VPN or proxy temporarily. Once that's clear, run Outlook in safe mode to isolate add-ins and create a new mail profile to eliminate corrupted settings. Finally, test by adding the account manually with the server details you noted earlier. You finish by ensuring data sync and performing final repairs. Start by rebuilding the OSD or PSD, clear the cache or run scan PSD to repair corrupt files, then let Outlook resync the mailbox so messages reappear. Make sure Outlook and Windows are updated. Patches often fix authentication bugs, so install updates and restart. If the account still fails, remove stored credentials in Windows Credential Manager, then re-add the account. This forces fresh authentication.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.